Is it ever in doubt? The man of the moment, yet again, with another special ice cool moment.
For Meccano. Giroud! And there it is! France take the lead, and Olivier Giroud becomes France's record goal scorer. Giroud.
3, maybe 4, but Fleck's giving it away, and now Leicester City put it through the middle. Jamie Vardy one-on-one with the keeper, and he finishes, and just like that, Leicester City pounce.
Good advantage played again by Mark Clattenburg. Sean Wright Phillips out about. Oh! Well, that is the moment that he has dreamt about, and so too of Manchester City.
Ο Κορδέρο, το σουτ, την μπάλα κοντράρει, γκολ! Από τον Καντίδη νομίζω σε αυτόν κοντράρισε η μπάλα και αυτός είναι που πανηγυρίζει.